Hello, and welcome to my video. I've got a question for you. Have you ever wanted to be the Monopoly game and become a real estate agent? Well, you need to know a couple things. You need to be good at buying and selling properties. Just like in the game, you need to know how much things are worth and be able to negotiate deals. You also need to be friendly and work well with others because you'll be helping people find their dream homes. So brush up on your math skills and get ready to make some big moves with my book on the 4 quadrants of the Theta Prime Money Matrix that can teach you the trick equation to running a successful business in the real estate agency and what obstacles that you will experience as an entrepreneur in the stock market.